We are presenting Haqq. Maulana Sheikh was Sheikh Nazim Al-Haqqani. That means Sheikh Nazim, the right man. Yes. This is important for us also to realize where is the right and where is the wrong. We are in the right side. Alhamdulillah. Try to be in the right side. Try to be in the right. Say right is your right hand. Allah Almighty, He put the right one in paradise. The left one, Jahannam. Yes? 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 See, look in the Quran. Ahl al-Yamin wa Ahl al-Shimal. That means the right one and the wrong one. Left one is the wrong one. Very important also for us to fix our sitting where you want to be. In the middle you cannot. Either you are right or left. Alhamdulillah, we are right. It is right. Haqq. Alhamdulillah. May Allah make us all the time in the right side and keep us there, whatever happen. We don't care. We care to be in the right side. Because this world, it will be having end anyhow. If this world doesn't have end, we will have end anyhow. We cannot wait thousands of years or hundreds of years. Doesn't matter. Our end is coming. So everybody is responsible for his end. Don't say, everybody is going for the left. No. You have to be responsible for your right. Try to be in the right side. May Allah forgive me and forgive us and make us happy here and hereafter, and to be with Maulana Sheikh as he is promising us to be inshallah with Mahdi alayhi salam also. Wa min Allah tawfiq bi hurmatil Habib bi hurmatil Fatiha.